This is no, this is not Monty's cage. This is Fairy and Rashagulla's cage. This belongs to Monty. Quite happy is what he is. Now start biting. Start biting. Start biting. So Monty does bite, okay? So it might seem that he is not biting me. He does bite. He gets annoyed, he will bite me. See, now he will bite me. Kyoch Monchi Babu. Monty and he parrots bite do have a lot of force. It's quite painful. Can be. Cocktails don't bite that hard. I mean that hard, and it does not hurt. But parrot bites does. I mean it is painful. কি হচ্ছে এটা কি মারবো একদম প্লাস্টিক মুখে নয় এই প্লাস্টিক নয়